If you need to close your Hotels.com account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Login. Access the Hotels.com website or app and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen under your profile or account name. Step 3. Find account closure option. Look for an option related to account management or privacy settings. There should be a section that allows you to close or delete your account. Step 4. Follow closure instructions. Click on the account closure option and follow the provided instructions. You may be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the steps, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Check your email for any final notifications from Hotels.com. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Hotels.com customer support.